Good afternoon. I am here at Sala Shots, which is basically a startup which is created to connect doctors to doctors. And at Dr. Hiramat Global Enterprises, I think this is an brilliant opportunity which you can encash upon to see how this platform can be supported. So, with me is Asta, who is one of the co-founders of the startup, and she would briefly talk about this startup and what they are looking for in terms of opportunity, in terms of funding or market growth. Over to you, Asta, please.
Yeah, hi. Thank you. Thank you for this opportunity. So, I'm an engineer, but I am coming from a doctor's family. Before realizing, I've always seen that we always look at doctors from the point of view that how they can serve us. But nobody is talking about that point of view, that how doctors are crying in the washroom, how overloaded they are, how underpaid they are, how even a smart, talented doctors are not able to figure it out how to navigate their career. We spend years to teach them how to treat us, but nobody is teaching them how to build their own career. And that's where I heard, and then we started Sala Shots. Sala Shot is a platform to connect one doctor to another. Be it you are a first year medical student struggling with ANAT, or be it you final year student figuring out whether to sit for UPSC, INI-CET or go for USNLE, or whether you are one who completed your PG and researching with figuring out should I set up my own clinic, should I go for a corporate exam, or should I go for a fellowship. Anything which comes into that journey, or if a senior gynecologist, she want to talk to more doctors. Sitting here in Hyderabad, she want to talk to a doctor in Lucknow. The access is missing, and that is where, because doctors are living in isolation, and that's what Sala Shot is trying to bridge.
Excellent. So through Dr. Hiramat Global Enterprises, which is our funding arm which supports startups basically with predominant focus in the medical domain, how do you want the Dr. Hiramat Global Enterprises to support you in your journey?
Yeah, for sure. So we have just organically, we are grown to a community of 4,000 doctors. But we are just a team of 4 people. Now we want to increase the sales from 4 doctors to 5 lakhs doctor, from 3,000 mentorship to 30,000 mentorship. We want this to pass. So that's when we are looking into the picture to build a team, to raise, to invest more on the marketing. We are raising a fund of 2 CR, and that's the runway for 28 months. And we are already started partnership with the colleges and the hospital, because they want to access doctors, and colleges wants their doctors to upskill on professional communications, AI in healthcare, how they can do the entrepreneurship, and that's where we are all bridging this gap. So till now we are building only the community and nurturing them. Now we are enabling the opportunity for them too. So to upskill in this vertical of pharma, healthcare, B2B vertical, we need a funding to upscale and grow our team.
Fantastic. Can you show me about Sala Shots? What do you have?
So the whole plan is no healthcare will survive without any doctors. And millions of doctors have wisdom to share, and millions of other doctors are waiting to be heard. Sala Shot is building that bridge at scale with purpose and for impact.
Thank you.
Thank you.